special, and you live inside my mind. I just can't ignore you if you are walking around. Since I don't know you, something's changing in my life. In my life, you are the defending night who likes to under the hood. Then you go on with your life. You are the defending night who likes to under the hood. Then you go on with your life. Yeah.
Yeah, go back there, right? I'll walk towards you. Fucking spin. Just read it in. I'm here with John. John owns the Orange Triumph. Tell us a little bit about it, mate.
Yeah, 1983 Triumph Acclaim. I've had it about 5 years now. Done a few bits to it. Local lad from Bugden, but been living in Cov for a while, so hang around with CCC and Midlands Danced. And yeah, it's just a bit of a project. There's a few bits to do to it, but it's one of them. It's flipping passion, isn't it? So yeah.
Do you recommend something classic as a daily?
Oh, yeah, definitely. It's just so easy to work on. It's just everything's just there. So yeah, it's just and it's comfy and it does the job and
something interesting.
Yeah, interests me.
Anyway, pleasure to meet you, John. Thank you very much for your time.
No worries, not a problem.
Look after yourself,
Cheers,
mate. Take it easy. Good clap just for you, Aidan. Now I'm just quickly speaking to Ryan. Ryan's a co-owner of Southwest Car Culture. He owns this Focus here. So tell us a couple of bits about it.
Right, so this is my 2002 Ford Focus, done up as a VCPD patrol car from GTA Vice City. As you can see down the side, Sea of Vice Patrol. So I've kitted it out with reds and blue lights like you would on the proper American police car. Also got a siren, tannoy system and a police radio going when I'm at shows inside.
Painted with a roller, was it?
Painted with a roller, yep. Dan, who's currently wiring up the other LEDs to it, he painted it all from scratch. So this car was originally a silvery blue colour and now it's green and white, all liveried up. Eventually I will have a light bar on the roof as well when I get round to that. But yeah, not much power, just show. Only a 1.4, but it'll do.
That's absolutely fine. Cheers for being with us, Ryan. Really appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. That's it, mate. All done. I'm here with Dan. Dan's the founder of Southwest Car Culture. Do you want to tell us about your ride?
What, the shitbox?
The shitbox, yeah.
Well, yeah, it's an Astra standard 1.4. I've done nothing to the engine, all exterior stuff, and they're all individual stickers, by the way. It's not wrapped, which took a lot of man hours to do.
Roughly how many?
About 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks.
2.5 weeks,
yeah.
Solid. It's a full-time job.
It is indeed. Goes like shit on a shovel though.
Yeah. How long has the club been going?
9 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Many members?
Quite just over 500.
That's not too bad.
That's not bad for a club that hasn't been going for long.
How many have we got tonight? Maybe 30? 30 maybe?
30, 40?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not a bad turnout. Brilliant. Anyway, cheers for your time, Dan. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.